Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. So, I wanted to show you guys my haul from Bath and Body Works. We don't really have a Bath and Body Works in where I live. And when I was on vacation, holiday in Canada, I decided to stock up. So these are probably, I've had them by the time this video goes out. I'll probably have had this Bath and Body Works haul for a little while. I'm just getting around to it now. So I really hope you guys sit back, chill, relax and enjoy. So this bag is so stacked full of stuff. And some of the things that I bagged when I was in Canada because I was traveling home. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is my favorite hand wash from Bath and Body Works. It is Peach Bellini. It's a gentle cleaning soaping hand foam. It has... Oh, it's right on the front. It is 259 milliliters. Very unusual amount, but 259 milliliters. And I bought, you got 5 of these for $35. $29, I think, actually. You got 5 of these for $29, so I bought 5 of the Peach Bellini because they're my favorites. The rest I've all put away, but I kept one out so I could show you guys. And again, you'll see that I have bagged a ton of these. I bought so many. Sprays because I got the sprays on super offer as well. You got 5 sprays for $29. Sorry, I might have said pounds here, but I mean $29. So you will see duplicates, but I just want to show you what I got. This one is 1,000 Wishes. I love the look of this. I've also bought some of these for gifts, some for me. This one is 1,000 Wishes. It has notes of pink prosecco, sparkling quince, crystal Finis, I think they're called, gilded amber and amaretto cream. It's to warm your heart 1,000 times over with our dazzling scent 1,000 Wishes. This one is super cute and adorable, and because I am going to keep some of them for gifts, I'm just going to rebag them while we're here. The next one that I got, and I got quite the number of these, Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast. I'm just going to put the bag back over that one again, but Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast. And did I get any more Champagne Toast? Oh, yes, I did. Champagne Toast. I mean, my suitcase coming home was so heavy. I thought that I had been very reasonable about my spending when I was there, and it was 30 kilos. I genuinely had to maneuver things around just to make my bags light enough for the airline to take them. So not very clever on my part, and I would assume that a big chunk of the weight was definitely these sprays because I bought a ton of them. This Champagne Toast one is another favorite of mine. It is Fine Fragrance Mist. You get 236 milliliters in this bottle, and it says that, does it tell me the note? Oh, this one doesn't tell me what the notes are in it. But this one is very sweet. It's very sweet and floral, I guess, at the same time. And super cute bottle. I love the crystal cut look of the bottle. So I bought all of those. Again, not really sure what I'm using as a gift and what I'm not using as a gift. So I'm just going to cover them with the bags. And then I bought 2 of these stunning Japanese cherry blossom. Look at the packaging we have here. This is absolutely beautiful. And again, 236 milliliters. And it just, it's a fine fragrance mist that we know. This one has a very cherry blossom scent. And I bought 2 of these for my friends. I love anything Japanese. So that's why I definitely bought these. Again, I really would love to get the hint of what tones are in these body sprays, but they don't seem to tell me on these bottles. They did on the Thousand Wishes, and I kind of wish that they did on the others. Let me see what else we've got. Okay, the rest are other little treats that I bought myself from Bath and Body Works. I will tell you guys that I love the wallflowers that are in Bath and Body Works, but in Canada, they use a different voltage than we do, so you cannot bring them back here and use them. I know because I tried, and mine smoked. It literally was smoking, and I had to take it out and bin it, and it was so sad because it was absolutely beautiful. They don't do them for the voltage in the UK, and that's the wallflowers are adorable. Unfortunately, I couldn't buy any, so I didn't buy any of the little bottles of scent to go inside them either, which is really, really sad because they do smell absolutely delightful. And the next things that I purchased, I'm just going to pull them all out of the bag because they are quite small, let's put these away so I can show you guys. I'm really in love with the style of the Japanese bottles. They are, the smell, I smelt it in the shop. It does smell very florally, but it smells very summery too. So I really like that scent, and I love the price that I got them at. So I'm going to just pop these here for now, and then I'm going to show you these. So I bought 2 of the Japanese cherry blossom antibacterial hand gels to go with my perfume sets for gifts. They're just an antiseptic cleanser. They've got 71% alcohol, and aren't they so adorable? I did ask the lady in the shop to give me the little gift bag so that I can put the perfume and the little hand sanitizer in. She very kindly gave me 6, which I thought was very thoughtful. What else did we buy? I bought 4 ones for a specific reason, but I'll talk about those in a minute. So then I bought In the Stars. In the Stars, love the fact that they have the little gels inside. This one's very perfumey. It's just perfumey. I'm not really sure what other scent or other way to describe it, but just very, very, very perfume-like. We have the strawberry pound cake, which is another one that's super adorable with a gold lid. Smells exactly like strawberries. So delightful. And guys, I got 6 of these for $12 on the sale, or on their offer. I don't think they call it a sale. But then I got these ones because they were all Bridgerton, and I love Bridgerton. Let me know in the comments section if you guys love Bridgerton. I loved it. So I bought these specifically. In fact, I bought every single one of the types that they had. They had 4, I bought 4. This Bath and Body Works is with Bridgerton. It's Bridgerton Study. So this looks like the study, I guess, from Bridgerton. I bought the Bridgerton Diamond of the Season, clear crystal white. I bought, this is my favorite color. This is Bridgerton Queen Charlotte's Tea, which is so nice. And then the last one that I purchased was the Bath and Body Works with Bridgerton Wisteria Gardens. I think these just look so classic and adorable. And if they have had any others, I definitely would have bought them. I loved the fact that they had, Bridgerton wallflowers. And I was so sad that I couldn't purchase one, just because I know they're not safe to use here. Our voltage is twice the voltage of Canada and the USA. So unfortunately, I had to bypass those. Very sadly bypass those. But I did make up for it by going to Victoria's Secret. I know this is a Bath and Body Works haul, but I did go to Victoria's Secret and pick up just a couple of things. So I picked up 3. I actually picked up 5 because you got 5 for $35. So I picked up 3 of the Pure Seduction and 2 of the Love Spell. 2 of my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret. This is the Pure Seduction. I think I got these at an excellent price because my husband bought me 2 bottles of this Pure Seduction from a chemist here where I live, and they were $19.99 each. So because he knows that I love them. What I also love about Victoria's Secret is they tell you the kind of scent that you're going to get on the back, which I think is very clever. So this one is Juiced Plum, crushed freesia, and it says all night long. I love this one. This one is super sweet, and I'm really into super sweet scents. Less soapy, less floral, more sweet. And then I got 2 of the Victoria's Secret Love Spell, which is this one. And I love the little part at the back that has the little floral part on it. And this one is Cherry Blossom Fresh Peach. And it says impossible to resist. So I was super excited. So to dull the pain of not being able to buy the Bridgerton wallflowers, I then went to Victoria's Secret and I spent more money on a little treat for myself. Well, guys, let me know if you were able to find Bath & Body Works anywhere in the UK and any reasonably priced Bath & Body Works products. I go to Canada pretty much every year and I super stock. I mean, I know I'm not going back for the rest of the year, so I super stock up my stuff. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. If you would kindly like and subscribe, that would be amazing. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section below. I will absolutely come back to you just as soon as I can. And again, thank you so much. Guys, please stay safe, please take care, and I will catch you next time. Bye.